Hi everyone, and welcome to week 1 of study in our catch-up psychology series. In this series we're going to explore quite a few of the approaches and how they connect to some other parts of your specification. And in this session we'll delve into Wundt, one of the early approaches, and look at overall the origins of psychology and psychology as a science. So I'm just going to provide you with what we're going to cover, an overview for the whole week. There is a lot to do, but really useful because we're going to blend key features of science with Wundt. So we're going to start by giving you an introduction to the psychology timeline. So as you know for your exam, you need to be able to talk about paradigms and paradigm shifts and how we've gone from not being a scientific study to being a credible scientific field. And in that timeline, we'll have a look at the different approaches that make up the psychology journey. We'll also have a look at an overview of Wundt's approach. So we'll have a look at what he thought about human behaviour, about the human mind, looking at his particular bits of the theory like introspection and structuralism. In there, we'll have a look at paradigm shifts. So for example, we know the behaviourists followed Wundt, but what happened for that sudden leap to happen in our psychology timeline? You'll have lots of opportunities to have a go at applying some specialist terminology, and of course that's one of the key things on all of your mark schemes that's needed in all of your answers. There are lots of chances to develop that. You'll also have lots of AO2 opportunities, so we'll have a look at some exam style questions for you to practice your AO2 skills, but we'll also have a look at where Wundt's approach and key features of science can have some good implications for society and for psychology as a subject as well. We'll take a look at a number of strengths and limitations of Wundt's approach. Crucial to have a balanced argument in your evaluation and your discussion. And to have a look at those, we'll be practicing your evaluation writing using some writing frames provided by a tutor to you, during which we'll try and embed some of those issues and debates from paper 3, things like reductionism, determinism, social sensitivity, and so on, just to really bump up the quality of your evaluation. Now, because it sits well with Wundt and the psychology timeline, we're also going to take the opportunity to have a look at key features of science. So these are things like replicability, falsifiability, objectivity, testable hypotheses, things that you do need to know for your exam, sometimes overlooked in revision. So we're going to show you how they can be done as part of your approach's work. And ultimately, we've got lots of exam style question practice for you as well.